Child Development Project and Samilangso ICDS Project Office jointly organized a medical health checkup camp on 10th August. Unidentified dead body of a woman found at Kalyani River. One person nabbed by Khatkhati police in connection with drugs on 10th August. St. Xavier English High School classes nursery to class 10. Facility in the school: electricity, drinking filter water, washing room is provided in the classroom. If 4 children from the same family attend the school, one among them 4 is given free education, and if 3 children from the same family studied in the school, one among them is given 6 months free. School charity: the school also given free education to underprivileged children. For more details, contact Rahel Intipi, Principal, St. Xavier English High School, Dokmoka, Karbi Anglong. Call 8638-801-264. Good morning, viewers. You are watching Karbi Anglong Live English Prime Time. Now the news in details. Due to shortage of medical health centers at Karbi Anglong, many citizens are deprived from medication and medical facilities, consequently suffering from lifelong illness. Therefore, to relieve the citizens of Rongmongwe area from various illness, free medical health checkup camp was set up jointly by Rongmongwe Child Development Project and Samilangso ICDS Project Office on 10th August at Rongmongwe. On this free medical check camp, people suffering from partial hearing impairment, visual impairment, hearing impairment, people who is physically challenged also took part of the free medical checkup. It was reported that the main person behind this initiative is Amlan Jyoti Das, CDPO, and Sonjoy Tokbi. Amlan Jyoti Das, CDPO, while speaking to us, informed that the area covers 5 circles: Bagori, Rongmongwe A and B, Parkup, and Lanka. All the participants would be provided a certificate. The doctors came from Difu Medical College and Hospital, and all the staff are also working selflessly to assist them in making the camp successful.
Medical camp bonwa hol amar Rongmongwe ICDS project yate 5টা circle Bagori, Rongmongwe AB, Parkup, Lanka tare pora disability bilakok ana hoise সিহঁতক তাৰমানে কি চাৰ্টিফিকেট দিয়া হ'ব। ডক্টৰ আহিছে আমাৰ ডিপু মেডিকেলৰ পৰা। এতিয়া যিমানটো পাৰোঁ আমি গোটেইখিনিকে সহায় কৰি আজিৰ ভিতৰতে তাৰমানে কি সিহঁতক ডক্টৰ দেখুৱাৰ ব্যৱস্থা কৰি আছোঁ।
He also informed that all the registered individuals who access 40% of loss in a body, they would be provided with a device after due approval from the Joint Director, which would assist them as per their damage level in a body.
কাৰণ যিবিলাকক তাৰমানে কি পাৰ্চেণ্টেজ থাকিব 40% এবভ যিবিলাক থাকিব সেইবিলাকক তাৰমানে কি চাৰ্টিফিকেট পাব। সেইখিনি বস্তু আমি তাৰমানে কি আকৌ জইণ্ট ডাইৰেক্টৰলৈকে পঠাই দি দিম। পঠাৰ পিছত সিহঁতে তাৰমানে কি চাৰ্টিফিকেটখন দি দিব। এটা আমি চাৰ্টিফিকেটটো আকৌ সিহঁতক দি দিম। তাৰ পৰা সিহঁতে ডিভাইচবিলাক পাই যাব আৰু যিবিলাক মানে বেনিফিট আছে ডিজেবিলিটি হিচাপত এইবিলাক বেনিফিট পাই যাব সিহঁতে।
Love Singh Terang's report from Rongmongwe, Karbi Anglong Live. On 10th of August, an unidentified body of a woman could be seen floating at Kalyani Rivers, 2 kilometers away from Hirhiri under Chokehola police station. In a mysterious incident, an unidentified dead body of a woman seems floating along the Kalyani River, just 6 kilometers away from Chokehola police station on 10th of August under Nilip constituency. Jogeshwar Chandra Deka, OC Chokehola police station, informed that they received the information of these incidents at around 4 p.m. on 10th of August. Acting upon the information received, they rushed to the spot and retrieved the dead body. They had to carry the body up to 2 kilometers since there was no any road to the place where the incidents took place. He also informed that the expected age of the women would be around 40 years old and belonging to Adivasi community, but so far there is no any information received related to the deceased body. The cause of dead body is still unknown. The body was brought to the police station and later sent to Dipu Medical College and Hospital for postmortem report.
বাগানীয়া আদিবাসী হ'ব বয়স প্ৰায় 40 বছৰমান হ'ব আৰু ইতিমধ্যে মই তাত গৈ ঘটনাস্থলীত গৈ মৃতদেহটো খুব কষ্ট কৰি উঠাইছোঁ পানীৰ পৰা প্ৰায় 5 ফুটমান ওপৰলৈ উঠাব লগা হৈছে জংঘল জেগা বহুত দূৰ যাব লগা হৈছে পানীৰ ওপৰৰ পৰা আৰু দুজন মানুহ মোক সহায় কৰিছে
Sanjit Cross report from Chokiola, Karbi Anglong Live. In another incident of drug seizure, one individual was apprehended by Khatkhati police on 10th August and seized drugs from his possession. On 10th of August, acting upon the specific intel output from its sources, a search operation was conducted near SBI Khatkhati branch. The search operation was conducted jointly by the Karbi Anglong Police and 20 BN Sikoi CRPF. The operation was led by SI Atikur Rehman, SI Nitul Saikia and SIP Somdan Swargyari. On suspicion, a vehicle bearing registration number NL077082 coming from Dimapur was intercepted. The vehicle was rigorously searched and recovered 2 suitcases of drugs comprising 24.2 grams of suspected heroin. A person named Lupoigom, 30 years old from Senapati district, Manipur was arrested in connection with this case. Ananterang's report from Bokajan, Karbi Anglong Live. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.